Hi all of you, in today's video I am going to show you grep command in Linux. So let's get started. I have already signed in into my AWS account, as you can see here. Okay, my server is running and I have renamed it as node 1 for now. Let's show you, let's make a font bigger for you as well. Okay, where is appearance here, change. Let me do it 24, 22 or 24. I think 22 is enough. Let me do 20. Yeah, it is enough. So let me show you grep command. So let me make some file like file. There is no file, as you can see here. Okay, there is no file. File 1. In file 1 I'll write like cat file 1. Okay, in file 1 I'll write like I always take car's name. Okay, car's brand or car's name. So let me take like uh let me write in lowercase Ferrari 812. Next one is GTR. Next one is G wagon, and next one is Charger. Okay, and next one is M5. I think this is enough for now. Let me take another one like uh, G63 for now. Okay, and let me get out of this file. Let me make another file like file 2. Okay, file, where is my file 2? Yeah, so in this I'll write like uh, Ferrari 812 again. Okay, La Ferrari. Okay, and uh, let me write like Ferrari uh, 458 Italia. Okay, let me write it T Italia. Okay, and now it's time to take name like Camaro. Okay, now one of my favorite car, which is like Corvette, Corvette, Corvette. And let me write like what can I write? I'm not getting a name. Which is my favorite car? One of my favorite is like Challenger is there, Camaro is there, Corvette is there, G-Wagon is there. I think Jaguar F-Pace. Okay, F-Pace is there. Yeah, I think this is enough for now. Let me do it CTR plus L for clearing the screen. So now why grep is used? I want to show you like if I write grep in double inverted commas like only Ferrari. Okay, so this command will search this name, only this name which is in the inverted commas from both of files. How both of from both of files? You can write like file 1 and file 2 as well here. So it will search from these files only these files. Okay, which you are giving their name. Okay, only this command will search from these files only. So let me press enter. So now you can see that it is showing in file 1 Ferrari 812, in file 2 Ferrari 812 again, and in file 2 La Ferrari, and in file 2 Ferrari 458 Italia. So there is one more command like grep hyphen c. If I write like what should I write? Like um, Corvette. Let me write Corvette. Okay, Corvette. Okay, it is only in file 2. So let me show you how it works. File 1 and here file 2 as well. So if I press enter, now you can see that file 1 is 0 and file 2 is it is showing 1. It which means file 1 has 0 Corvette, which means that this name is not in the file 1. That's why it is representing 0. And in file 2 there is only one name, as I already told you. Okay, now there is another command grep hyphen c. Okay, grep hyphen c not hyphen c, hyphen l. If I write here like what can I write, like Ferrari again, because it is uh, that name which is I've wrote a lot of time in file 1 and file 2 as well. Let me write it file 1, okay, and file 2. So now you can see that this you can see that this name contains, it is showing that it is in file 1 and it is in file 2, okay. So for that grep l is used, and here you can see that your only Ferrari names is searching, but here this command is searching that which files contains Ferrari name. It is not showing uh, where is Ferrari is written. So you can see here only using grep command. You can see here there is one more command. I don't know. I haven't used it, but I know hyphen h. If I write here Ferrari, let me try it as well in front of you. I don't know what it does, but it is a command. Uh, file 2, okay. It is doing same, it is doing same work as you can see here, okay. So nothing is changed. So I prefer you all to use only grep command, not grep hyphen h, because it is showing file 1 as well, okay. So this is a pretty good command. Like if I write it grep like gtr and write it here file 1 and file 2, okay. So now you can see that only file 1 contains gtr, not file 2. So this is a good command. As you can see that um, like Corvette is in file 2. I have already showed you. uh, this is that command grep hyphen c, and what, let me do it ctrl plus l, and let me cat file 2, okay. Like you can see that Jaguar F base Camaro. So let me write grep hyphen, not hyphen, double inverted commas Camaro. Let me write first like hyphen l, okay. Now it's time to add Camaro. Now file 1 and file 2. So this is your file 2. As you can see here, this is your file 2. So now you can see that Camaro is in only in file 2, it is not in file 1, that's why it is not showing. So I hope you all now understand that how these commands are working, and just practice these on AWS, okay. So it's time to like stop this instance for now, okay. So you can see that always stop before shutting down your PC, because it is a good practice and it will make your bill as well if you left it running, okay. So I think it's time to end this video. I just want to show you this grep command, and I will be meeting you in my next video. ਸਿੱਧੇ ਮੱਥੇ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਉਹ ਲੋਕ